What is up, guys? It's your boy. It's been a few years, hasn't it? Started off on this channel playing Forza with my cousin, deleted a lot of freaking videos, and now we're here. This is my 2015 Focus ST, ST1, you know, it's 2015, as I said. I'm gonna do a little walk around on it, because I realized I kind of want to film what I'm doing on it. So I'm gonna just give you all a little walk around on it. You can't really see the front end, it's kind of dark. Sorry about that, but give you all a nice little 360 view of it. Alright, so first off, what I'm gonna go off of here. Let's go off with the wing risers. This was the dude Cameron guy. He's building a GC8 now. I did his washer tutorial thing, and I just painted them red, and it worked out pretty well actually. I kind of want to paint that red and get like a wing extension to make it look mean, but got a Cobb sticker so you know we're tuned. Not by Cobb actually, but we got an access port. If we go down here, we got an MBRP catback exhaust. We got a roof antenna right here. And I'm filming on my iPhone 12 Pro. I don't know how to film in a garage, so I'm on the wide angle because I don't want to use the GoPro. We have a staggered spacer setup, I believe. I believe these are 25 millimeters in the rear, 20s in the front. On stock snowflakes, of course. That's gonna be, I want to switch it up, go to some white Voss TR4s on some proxies, but I don't know, this setup's pretty good for where I'm at right now. I'm gonna get some red spec tail lights. Let's go into the inside right here. We got Manny. We go on the inside. Can't really see. Oh, let's turn these lights on. We got this Sync 3 head unit. That's the new one. I just installed that. Got a mirror in here. Got the access port over there. Those work shift knob, the tear in the center console, stock seats. That's pretty much it for the interior. What else do we got done? We got some upgraded LED fog lights. Let me turn the lights on. Actually, before I show you, this is the Sync 1, so this feature is not enabled on this car, but with a 4-scan, 2 clicks, my windows roll down. That's a nice little feature I like. Come here, turn the accessory on, Ford Performance on the dash. See, these are the yellow fog lights. This one just broke today, so that's kind of a bummer. I'm gonna email the company I bought these off of. Let's focus the light. These are some LEDs in there too. They just make the car look a lot newer, just in general, to be honest, with the white. There's no ST logo, as you could tell, which I'm working on getting a new one. I'm also you can't see, I'm in the works of shaving the grill soon. Down there is a CPE front mount intercooler. Now let's turn the battery off before I kill the poor car. Actually, I'll show you the back with the lights on. There you go. Nice little interior shot. Let's tell the car to turn off. There you go. And then on the engine bay, not much yet, pretty simple. Green filter that always falls off. Computer doing its thing. You can't even see anything, but there's nothing under there. So we can shut the hood. Alright, so let's get you all a shot with the hood closed. Nice little hatch. Here's the inside. There's not much done to it. It's full bolt-on. Let's talk through the mods now, just list them off. So, Cobb rear motor mount, Cobb access port, stratified E30 tune, Crackle tune's also here, but I'm not running it at the moment. because I don't have the downpipe on. The downpipe's literally right there. So that's done. MVRB catback, CPE front mount intercooler, tune. Just a simple car actually. Not much done to it. Got the spacers like I said. I think I might need an alignment. I think I'm good actually. I don't know. I deleted the front plate and front grille. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I gotta say, I have a lot of money into it, but you can't even tell. It's kind of a bummer. I just want to I want to slam it on some coils, man. I'm probably gonna get ST line coils. So I'm gonna lower it. Force TR4s or some NTO3s from Enki, I believe. Or just these. Or I want black RS19 wheels. And then Spec D red taillights, wing extension, maxed in design rear diffuser, or the Scorf tuning rear diffuser. What else do I want to do? I want to do something about side skirts. I just ordered a maxed in design front lip. What else? Well, I got the windows tinted, as you can see. Also, if you hold the lock button, the windows go up. Oh, I also want to get carbon fiber wing mirror caps with some sequential turn signals. Also want to get carbon fiber thingies there. And that's about it, man. Like, I want to keep it simple. I really do want to go big turbo, which is probably in the future. I don't know what I was saying, but it looks like I have some water under there. I don't think that's actually in the light though, so I think we're good. But I want to just make it a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more in your face, and then just keep it like that. I do want to run water with meth injection, make 470 horsepower reliably, build the bottom end once I graduate college probably. I'm still in high school, so I'm talking a long time if I still have her. But yeah, hold up, I'm gonna turn flash on. Yeah, but here she is. The Focus S, yeah, you can see where I was shaving the grill. Never really finished, but there she is. Focus RS, Focus ST, ST1. It's mine. That's all that I really care. It's when I'm doing what I want. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. More videos of me modding this car are gonna be coming soon. If y'all want videos or footage or videos or photos of car meets in the area, I'll do that. And that's about it.